is ahead of the other two. He has been doing this for a couple of times before, and I believe that might be something which is giving him a good experience, but on the other hand, he knows also how tight it is, and he knows what to deliver. He is getting into the garage right now, and so as Joel. Well, Pablo is struggling with finding that Stefan has decided now to go for the Red King first, while Joel and Pablo is still finding the right way into the garage. The red one, but not the blue one. And we have a good result there. Now it's about reversing to the back part of to the rear part of the garage, and once there, you need to be careful touching the two pedals or the two bottoms, but don't go too far. 3 centimeters behind success and failure. Joel is now inside the garage with almost a complete vehicle. Stefan, we have a penalty on Pablo.